Getting besties, we are going hygiene shopping. I need some feminine wash. I need some body oils, body scrub. I need all of it. I need nail glue. Do you not see my nails? The chip nail polish is not doing it for me. Okay, we're gonna head out to a few stores. I'm thinking Walmart, Burlington Coat Factory, maybe TJ Maxx and Dollar Tree to get my essentials. And yeah, I need you to put your shoes on, your coat, grab your keys, and let's go. Okay, so I made it into Burlington, and there's a little music playing in the background, but I am heading to the body wash section to see what they have and see what I can score. Do not mind my nails, guys. But this one smells good. This is the Dove Relaxing Care Nourishing Body Wash. So this smells like Play-Doh. I'm gonna get this because I already had this before and it's $4.49, so why not? So I have a list of things that I need to get. So I need body wash, setting spray, body lotion, and a whole bunch of other things. So I'm gonna go to Walmart next door after this because there's a Walmart next door. And then after Walmart, I think I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree. I wanna try this Dove Body Love Silky Pampering Body Cream. I don't know what the smell is, so I'm gonna try to find one that's already open. But I'm gonna try it. It's only $4.49. And I do need a body lotion, but I do want to get the EOS Vanilla Body Cream because that's my favorite. They have a Nivea Body Cream in vanilla. Let's smell it. It doesn't really smell like vanilla. It smells like Nivea Body Cream. So I would not be getting this one. Okay, so I'm actually going to head to Walmart because they didn't really have nothing here at Burlington. But I did browse around and not impressed, so I'll be going to Walmart and see what they have. Okay.
Show it to the camera.
This is the Tree Hut Vanilla. Not feeling it either. I don't know what's going on, guys. Okay, besties, my camera had died, didn't have a replaceable charger, and I went to Dollar Tree after I went to Walmart. But tell me why I forgot to grab the essential things. So I have to go back there tomorrow. But let me give you a quick little haul of what I got, and then I'm gonna tell you the things that I'm gonna pick up tomorrow at Dollar Tree. I got this St. Ives oatmeal and shea butter smoothing body wash. It smells so good. It's a clean, buttery, it's a smooth, sweet, buttery type of scent. I love it. I've been using this on and off for like 3 years now, and it is PETA approved, and it has 99% biodegradable formula. So it looks like this. Love it, love it, love it. The next thing that I got is the EOS Shea Butter 24-hour moisture body lotion in vanilla cashmere. This is my all-time favorite vanilla smelling lotion. I love this. It really locks in the moisture in my skin. I find myself not as ashy when I use this, so I would be forever buying this. I want to try the whipped body oil that comes in like the little jar of this. So that's next. Every time I go to like Walmart and Target, I don't see it. So I don't know if it's certain stores that sell it or what, but girl, I want to try that. And then I re-upped on my feminine wash. This is a Summer's Eve fragrance free, and it has up to 24-hour freshness. It really doesn't smell like anything. It probably smells like a unscented baby soap. Yeah, it doesn't really smell like anything. So I just get it, but it helps me really feel fresh down there, fresh and clean. And it doesn't throw off my pH balance because there's no scent, there's no fragrance, there's no strong ingredients. So it removes odor, clinically tested, safe for sensitive skin, gentle for daily use, gynecology tested, gynecologist tested, hyperallergenic, and free from dyes and parabens. Next thing I got from Walmart was this Maybelline. This is more like, the next things that I picked up that I'm going to talk about is more like my re-ups on my makeup products, or I'm trying new things. So I got the Maybelline Tattoo Studio eyeliner, and I wanted a good gel eyeliner. Like, I want to have that dark, thick black eyeliner look, but in a cute way. Like, I really want it to be just stand out more. The eyeliner that I have is like, you could really tell that I'm wearing eyeliner, so I wanted something a little more bolder. I ran out of concealer, and then I broke my MAC Studio concealer. I'm so sad that the bottle was glass, because obviously it's easy to break, but that thing shattered under my vanity. So sad. And it had so much product in it. I only used it like 4 times. So I just went with the e.l.f. concealer. This is the e.l.f. Camel Concealer in Deep Chestnut. Simple, very affordable. I wanted a concealer brush instead of using a sponge, because the sponge I have feels very dry under my eyes. It doesn't really set the way I want it to set. So I'm trying out this Real Technique Kitten Paw concealer brush, and it just looks like this. This was like $5.49, I think. My go-to mascara, love this mascara. This is the Wet n Wild very black mega length mascara, love it. My arm is hurting me from holding this camera. So the next thing that I wanted to try out is the Holy Hydration. I'm pretty sure I used this years ago, but I'm not sure if it's the same exact one. But I needed a new moisturizer. The one that I have is not as moisturizing as I want it to be, especially in the colder months. So I'm gonna give this a try. It is the Holy Hydration Daily Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, jojoba seed oil or jojoba seed oil, and vitamin E. So I know it's gonna really lock in that moisture, so I'm excited. And that's it for the beauty products. And then for some skincare, I went to TJ Maxx and I picked up these collagen eye pads, and they are glittery, so I'm excited to wear these, take some cute pictures in these. But I noticed my under eye has been getting really dry, so I really need this. And then I got this one from Spa Life. This is the Sparkle All the Way Brightening Under Eye Mask. Definitely would be using this as well. And it's very cute and girly, like gold under eye mask. Hello, I need about 5 of them. I need about 10 of them. And then for my teeth, I just have the Sensitive Extreme Natural White. This is like the Sensodyne off-brand. I picked this up from Dollar Tree. $1.50, you can't beat that. So the thing that I forgot to grab, actually, I was looking for a body scrub, and I looked through many brands. I went to TJ Maxx, I went to Burlington Coat Factory, even went through Walmart, but they didn't have like a body scrub that I wanted. My previous body scrub that I just ran out of is from Dove, and it was like a mango butter type of scrub. I think it was mango almond. I'm over that scent. That scent is more for summer. I'm looking for something that's like a warm hug. Like, I want it to smell like warm vanilla, like a sugar cookie or chocolate cookie, like something just warm and edible and cozy, and I could not find nothing that smelled close to it. So I'm going to probably check Target to see what they have. And I also forgot to grab razors, but I get my razors from Dollar Tree. $1.50 or $1.25 for a pack of 2, and they work really good. I also want to start waxing at home, so I want to get me a waxing kit. Probably order that off of Amazon or go to Ulta. And yeah, that's pretty much it that I have for my haul. Another thing that I forgot to grab is nail glue. I forgot that completely, so I have to go back out and grab some nail glue, because the way my nails are looking, oh my goodness, I need to fix these, because I don't like chipped nails. I don't like having my nails looking like they're torn up. Okay, so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.